How to sign in to your App Store or media and purchases on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, you want to tap on your account name, your Apple account name at the top. From here, you want to go down and tap on Media and Purchases. From here, you can choose to tap on the Continue button to sign into the same account, or you can choose not the account name, and here you can sign in with a different account. So basically, put in your Apple account user ID, like such as email or phone number, and then in here we can tap on the Continue button. Otherwise, we can sign in with your current login account from your Apple ID. And once you have signed in, you'll be able to go to the App Store and download apps and listening to Apple Music. So here I can then tap on View Account, and once you've signed in, you can view account details. So here we need to sign in before we can proceed. Okay, so once you have signed in, you can manage payments, manage subscriptions, view purchase history, add money to account, change country origin, view family sharing. You can add ratings and reviews and turn on or turn off personalized recommendations. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.